Recognizing patterns and deciding what belongs with a group of items and what does not is a very important skill in math, but it's also usable for reading comprehension. This is kind of a brain teaser puzzle, and children really like this a lot. If we go row by row, we're going to be asking what item does not belong. Let's take a look at the first line. It appears that we have all hearts. But what's different? Did you see the size of this heart is smaller than the other three? This heart is different. It's going to come out of this group. On our second line, these shapes are called rhombus. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rhombuses. You might call them a diamond. But if they're all the same shape, what's different? Do you see how the purple one doesn't belong? If we take away the purple, then all the other three are yellow. How about in the third row? What's different? Well, we have all green this time. It must be the shape of this one. We have 3 circles and 1 green rhombus. They're all green, but they're not the same shape. How about this? All yellow. That would be the same. So what's different in this group? We have a circle, circle. Is this a circle? Does this look like the others? No, this is an oval. So the oval has to come out because the other 3 are circles. So we'll take this one away. Are you getting these before I tell you? I hope so. What do you see that's different in this group? Is it the color? No, they're all orange. So what's different? Can you name the shapes? Do you know what this shape is? How many sides does it have if we start up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 6-sided figure. It's called a hexagon. Does this shape have 6 sides? Let's start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's 4. This had 6 sides. That has 4. 6 or 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, these are the same. They're squares. Is that a square or is that a hexagon? It's a square. 3 squares. Goodbye, hexagon. And in our last row, what do we have here? Different colors, maybe? Well, they're all pink. This one's kind of a lighter shade of pink. Did you notice that? Is it the same shape as the others? So here we have a slightly different color, pink, and definitely a different shape. Rectangle, rectangle, heart, rectangle. Goodbye, heart. You've taken away all the parts that don't match. Now each row has the same.